OSPF route summarization. Summarizing is the consolidation of multiple routes into one single advertisement. This is normally done at the boundaries of area border routers. So, and also ASBRs, not just that. Although, well, let me just leave it as it is because I got this from Cisco. But you can also do it from a ASBR, which I'm going to do later. Although summarization could be configured between two areas, it is better to summarize in the direction of the backbone. So meaning summarize the routes that are going into or advertised into the backbone. That's my example here. So later we're going to summarize these routes into a single route uh, going into area 0. This way the backbone receives all the aggregate addresses and in turn will inject them already summarized into other areas. OSPF can only summarize type 3 and 5 LSAs. So type 3 is the summary LSA and 5 is the external LSA. So there are two types of summarization. One is inter-area or type 3 summary LSA route summarization. And the other one is external route type 5 external LSA summarization. So I already configured the routers and these are the relevant configurations on uh, on R1 and on R2. So just basic configuration. Yeah, basic OSPF configurations as well. Right, so let me show you the configuration on OSPF configuration on R1, which I already did here. I mean the command here, and this is R2. Let me also show you the loopback. No, nothing. There's no loopback interface there, but it's actually on R2. Yeah. So these are the networks that I'm advertising into here into R1 or sorry, area 0. And we can verify that, of course, by doing this command here. Oops. Show OSPF error. So these are inter-area routes, IA. So coming from R2. So in this case, R2 is the ASBR, I mean ABR. You can see that IP address here. Um, so now we can proceed with, no, let me show you the database as well here. So these are summary LSA or summary net link states. So this is the advertising router, which is R2. Yeah, R2. It's using the highest IP address, loopback IP address, and these are all the link IDs. Okay, so this is how you can configure inter-area route summarization. So again, we have inter-areas route summarization and area, no, external route summarization. So I'm going to do this one first. And the configuration is actually just one line here. So this is how you summarize your inter area routes. So let me just copy and paste this on into R2. And let's just give it a minute. So now we should see just one route. Yeah, so just one route. So it's now, of course, you have to, this is the exact mask. So this encompasses all the uh, all the subnets, which are all the four subnets. So yeah, that's how you can configure inter-area route summarization. And let me also verify the or look at database, OSPF database. Show IP OSPF database here. So just now it was 4, right? Now I only see 1. Okay, so next is, of course, configure external route summarization. But before I do that, I need to remove these configurations on R2 because OS because this is for inter area. This is the command for inter area summarization. And instead of advertising this route, or this prefix, I'm going to instead redistribute it into OSPF. So that's why I'm removing them here, or these commands. Okay, and of course, redistribute connected routes or connected subnets. So now if we go to R1 and do this command here, just give it a minute. Probably it would be easier, quicker if we uh, preset the OSPF process. This is how you do it. Let me verify our configuration. Okay, looks good. OSPF. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Just give it a minute. Okay. Okay. Looks like it's not fully established yet. So let's try again on R1. There's nothing here. OSPF. That. Okay, so I think I need to add this command. Actually, that should work because in this case, this is not going to be try it. Oops. SPF route. No. OSPF route. There we go. No, not that one. So yeah, I need to remove that actually, because we actually need to redistribute the routes, not use the commands. OSPF. Let me remove it. OSPF 1. We'll remove this. Okay, and try again. There we go. So now we see that R2 is redistributing these routes into uh, area 0, and we can see that we can verify that by looking at the type of route. So it says here that these are external type 2 routes. It's actually by when you see E2, it's type 2. So now we can use this command here to summarize it into just one route instead of 4. Let me also show you the database. Yeah, it's 4 here also. So AS external, let me add AS. Okay, so I'm going back to R2 and just copy and paste these commands. Okay, done. Let me go to R1 and do that command. And now it's 1. And show IP OSPF database. Yeah, just 1. So now it was, I mean, before it was 4. Now it's just 1. So yeah, that's how you can configure inter, area, and external route summarization. So that was, let me check again. Yeah, inter area route and external route summarization. So again, this is the command for inter area route summarization, and this is the command for external route summarization. So yep, thanks for watching.